SRQ Auto, people you like, cars you can trust.
You are going to love the 2000 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, running boards, limited slip differential, power brakes. Inside you'll find leather upholstery, cruise control, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering, overhead console, head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.